So for Sanghya, what do you want from, like, of course, everyone who starts the organization, they want to reach to maximum people. Everybody wants to make great business, be the unicorn, be on Forbes, whatever the under what, 30 under 30 or whatever your criteria you fit into. Uh, so what's your wish? Like, what's your wish for your organization? Whom you want to reach out to?
I think to see Sangya's content and the essays that we've collected and built over time, to take that outside the digital space and to have it available in more than just English would be a great step for like for me to feel like we're actually going in the right direction. Because even now, um, so many of our writers are coming from different places in the country, and there's so much cultural context that I feel like we're just missing with how a person was raised and what kind of conditioning they had around sex, simply because we're expecting so much of the dialogue to happen in English itself. I'm very curious to see what happens when people get the opportunity to write about sex and pleasure in their first language, which may be Tamil or Kannada, and to be able to connect to a wider audience and to be able to define consent and define healthy, normal sex lives in different languages, and not be limited to just virtual conversations alone. So I think that is definitely a step that I want to see Sangya take.
Yeah, I mean that on the education front, the reach, I think we would like to have it reach to people in more languages than just English. But apart from just the education, where manufacturing is concerned, like I said, the idea is to have more products manufactured here in India and to have less reliance on any other country to import products, and to have at some point our entire range manufactured here in India, which is also something that has not been done before. And that prospect to me is very, very exciting, to have an entire ecosystem where sex and sexuality is concerned, whether it be your tools for sex, for your education, or anything that's surrounding um, the pleasure tools such as kinkware. All the entire ecosystem manufactured here in India by Sangya is the dream.
Okay. I wish you all the best. And one of the great thing is Tier Two Pune. It's not the startup hub the other cities are, and sitting over here thinking something that probably people won't even dare to, start the organization. Everybody wants to take the easy way, right?
Yeah.
It's very easy for doing something that is with the flow, with the the
Yeah.
way a country works. But going out of all, and it's not easy to speak about this in our country. We know
Correct.
that there
Yeah.
are, of course, we are lucky that we don't get too much of hatred, all that. But we know that how conservative we are at one point of time or sometime. But all three of you, like, it takes lots of courage to actually say this is what is required. I'm going to do it. So, and it's not easy. We think that okay, it's just a company. Second is, it's very easy to start the company that we know it's already a proof of concept and there is something. So, like
Yeah.
some company in US working really good. I create the similar kind of a company in India and I feel that, oh, I'm doing something great, kind of thing. Right? So that's, and that, like, similar kind of a product, similar kind of, you just replicate. But when the culture and when the, complete our ecosystem works in such a different way, including our legalities and other things, with that again thinking about these things when it is so important, I really really wish, of course nobody wish that you will have too much of competition, but at least in the education
Correct.
thing, especially the area that you are operating, I really want that more organizations should actually take this as a business.
Yeah.
More people should start talking about it, right? And they should actually, create more segregation. Okay, these people are focusing on educating children. These people are
Yeah.
helping young people to actually understand, how this works and how to make the advantage of this and make your partner happy as well as make yourself happy. So there's nothing wrong in it, right? Like
Yeah.
giving surprise is not nothing wrong in it. You should also, our married people, they should think that yeah, there is always beyond. No, children have gone to college and all those things. What I'm planning, it's just not the Europe tour every time, right?
Yeah.
You can invest that money into something else as well.
Yeah.
So through your organization, I really want that change to happen, and I want to see that change happening. and I'll support as much as possible to
Thank you.
yeah, so thank you so much for giving your time today.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, and we'll discuss more whenever we'll get opportunity or any other specific topic we
Sounds
want to
good.
talk, you know.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.